Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna look at the accusative versus the dative case. Especially in the construction I like, something is pleasing to me. So I like will trigger, of course, the verb любить will trigger the accusative. So masculine no change, neutral no change, only the feminine will change. In the construction, something is pleasing to me would be in the dative. And the thing pleases you would be in the nominative. That's why it's a nominative case here. So let's have a look at the first construction. Я люблю море. The море is neutral. I love the sea, so the море doesn't change. It's accusative, direct object of the verb. Он любит футбол. He loves football. Again, football masculine. Doesn't change. Она любит цветы. She loves flowers, so flowers plural, цветы. Doesn't change, it's inanimate. Мы любим хорошую погоду. Love good weather. So хорошая погода will be in accusative хорошую погоду. Вы любите черный кофе. You like black tea. So masculine no change. Both adjective and the noun. Они любят sushi. They love sushi. So the verb is conjugated in the plural form in the present tense, and sushi doesn't change because it's inanimate plural. Они любят пиццу и Coca-Cola. Feminine nouns will change. Coca-Cola is a foreign word, so only the second part will change to U. Verb conjugated in the present tense from verb любить. Они любят путешествовать. They love to travel, and to travel is just verb infinitive. And the construction мне нравится море. So the sea is pleasing to me. To me is dative. It's from я pronoun. Нравится. It's conjugated in the singular form to agree with море as it. So мне нравится море. The sea is pleasing to me. Ему нравится football. The football is pleasing to him. So ему it's a dative from он. Им нравится путешествовать. They like to travel, or the traveling is pleasing to them. So им нравится путешествовать. Нам нравится хорошая погода. So хорошая погода is singular. Нравится is just conjugated in the singular form present tense. Нам it's a dative from мы. Вам нравится черный кофе. Singular form. So черный кофе. Singular form. Nominative. Conjugated with the verb нравится, and вам it's to you from the form. Им нравятся суши. Sushi is plural, that's why the verb conjugated in the plural form. And им it's to them. Sushi are pleasing to them. So им it's from они. Им нравится пицца и Coca-Cola, so we have two nouns here. That's why we need to conjugate the verb in the plural form. So pizza and Coca-Cola are pleasing to them. And ей нравятся цветы. So цветы are plural, that's why the verb is in the plural form to agree with the noun, and ей it's to her. As you can see, verb любить will trigger the accusative, and the verb нравится, conjugated in the singular or in the plural, will trigger only the pronoun in the dative, and the noun would be in the nominative case. Quite simple. I hope this video was useful for you. Please put likes, and if you have any questions, just comment and subscribe. Thank you.